Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick look at the future as we have some regular updates of where we are at the Creators Update exactly. So of course the Creators Update is still rolling out first of all, and we'll also have a little look at Fall Creators Update. So the latest number, we have numbers today. The latest number puts the Creators Update at around 30% apparently of penetration. So almost 1 out of 3 Windows 10 user now is at Creators Update. This is slower than the rollout of Anniversary Update basically, but I think it's because they really want to make things perfect and make sure that things aren't going bad for the upgrade for most people. And as for the Fall Creators Update, where are we? Of course, for insiders, we are at build 16.226, which is the latest build of Windows 10 Fall Creators Update for insiders right now. And of course, there's a lot of new stuff happening. Edge is, getting better and better with all sorts of new features, including EPUB reading, PDF reading, and annotations, and all sorts of inking. That's pretty amazing. We also have, the Fluent Design that's getting, of course, in Creators Update, we already have a Fluent Design starting to get through different apps, but more Fluent Design, of course, coming to the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. So, of course, the transparency, which is acrylic, what we call acrylic, and that's, of course, the first step in what's going to happen with this design language. Redesign slowly of the Action Center notifications panel. The way that notifications appear now are kind of even better. Of course, my people experience with easier to do transfers of any kind. So if you want to share, you'll be able to share easily with everybody in your people surroundings. Just drag a file on top of one of your contacts, and the link's going to be there to actually share a file. So that's really making it easy. We have a few improvements, although the file explorer is still very basic and still looks old for me, I would say. One of the things that is very interesting in here is that we have all new options like give access to, for example, when you right click a file or a folder. So these are a few of the things that are kind of interesting, and now even better, of course, there's improved apps, improved Windows Store. They're tweaking the Windows Store all the time, trying to make it better, more robust, more interesting to look at, and easier to find stuff. But also today what we did find, which is very, very interesting, is that we knew that there would be a Linux. We know the Linux subsystem for Linux with Ubuntu that's available in Creators Update, but with the Fall Creators Update, we will have more choices with that. And today the first step was actually selected, as we have the new OpenSUSE Leap 42 and SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 12 available for people in the insider previews right now, and of course for the Fall Creators Update. So when you look at, for example, a bash subsystem for Linux here, it actually starts that version that I've installed from the store. Basic bash command lines, but you can download all sorts of things and have a graphical user interface over this eventually. And continued tweaking of the different menus, the start menu, and the settings also, which is going to be interesting. So we see here that they've moved, Cortana has its own little space, the new gaming experience, which adds all sorts of new features, including networking and game monitor and so on. And a very interesting add-on this time around, the Task Manager didn't really have much improvement or changes over the years. It is stayed closely related to pretty much the same thing all the time. But now the task manager, they've added a new option where you can actually see not only their regular performance, but you have GPU performance, and you can actually see what your graphics adapter, how it's working and what it's doing. And it's a very nice add-on, I think, to see what's happening with your graphics adapter, especially if you're a gamer. It could be useful, I think. So we're slowly moving ahead, of course, in the Fall Creators Update. All sorts of little features here and there are added, kind of very interesting options here. And slowly but surely we are improving Windows 10. One step at a time, one build at a time, and of course Windows Insiders are there also to help and make things better and give comments and suggestions. For the future of Windows, as of this time, we still still on track for a Fall Creators Update in September. So it's not that far away when you think about it. We're getting into July already in a week. September is not that far off, basically. So it's kind of interesting to see that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.